Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Kane, Kittle, Lake and Wool, and Lake County, Indiana. A blizzard warning remains in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 3 p.m. Where 12 to 20 inches of snow is likely, with possible localized totals up to 2 feet. Winds, northeast winds from 20 to 35 miles per hour, with wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Gusts will continue to increase later this evening and continue overnight to 40 to 50 miles per hour. Even stronger winds are likely near the immediate lakeshore with sustained winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts between 50 and 60 miles per hour. Blizzard conditions, strong winds combined with considerable blowing, and occasionally heavy falling snow will reduce visibilities to near zero at times. Thunderstorms, isolated snow-producing thunderstorms, are expected to develop tonight, resulting in localized intense snowfall rates. Power outages, the combination of strong and gusty winds along with possibly heavy wet snow sticking to power lines could result in power outages. Due to the prolonged nature of very adverse conditions, plan accordingly for the possibility of a prolonged disruption in commercial power. Blizzard conditions, the strong winds along with blowing, and occasionally heavy falling snow will reduce visibilities to near zero at times. Thunderstorms, isolated snow-producing thunderstorms, are expected to develop tonight, resulting in localized intense snowfall rates. It is not uncommon for snowfall rates to exceed 4 inches per hour and thunder snow, making travel nearly impossible. Road conditions will rapidly deteriorate during the mid to late afternoon as snow develops from south to north across the area. Travel is expected to become tricky.
Somewhat less. We get some lake enhancement coming down the lake into eastern Illinois, northwest Indiana tomorrow. By tomorrow afternoon, this thing is going to be winding down. So, not that it matters, because it's just going to be bad everywhere. Here are the latest computer projections from our microcast in terms of how much snow is going to fall. This takes you through just 9 o'clock tonight. Already most of the area getting close to half a foot of snow. In 3 hours, we go from 6 to 15. Okay? You do the math. That's a whole lot of snow there in just a short period of time. By the time we're all said and done with this, I think 10 to 24 inches of snow will blanket just about the entire area with, at this point, and supported by some latest information from the Storm Prediction Center, which has been writing extensively about this storm and the blizzard conditions, I think the worst of it will be right in the Chicago area. Here are the wind gusts.
Wow, is the wind howling?
Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you absolutely must travel, have a winter survival. Occasionally heavy falling snow will reduce visibilities to near zero at times. Thunderstorms, isolated snow-producing thunderstorms, are expected to develop tonight, resulting in localized intense snowfall rates.